So thank you for sticking with me so far on this journey of doing these projects. Let's go over what we have covered. So initially, we had the introduction for what we're going to cover in the class, the lab setup, as well as the Python setup. And then we went ahead and used Nornir to detect our route change. So we actually have Nornir go out to the devices and look for a particular loopback IP. And if it's not there, it's going to print out the error. And then next, we actually went ahead and used the Twilio API in order to alert us via SMS message. Now that we have the code ready, we did a bit of a refactoring. We made 2 functions out of it so we could reuse those functions more easily. And then we package it into a Python package to be able to distribute it a little bit more easily. And then we saw an example of package distribution via pip. So the example we saw was actually using a local installation, but we could very well also push it out to PyPI with the more proper documentation, licensing, README, that sort of stuff. So I want to thank you for joining me on this journey. I really appreciate it. I think the most valuable thing you could give a person is your attention and your time. So I really appreciate that. Please stay in touch. My Twitter handle, ERICCHOU, and I've also pasted in my LinkedIn profile. Please connect with me professionally. And I wish you the best of luck on your journey for Python, network automation, or network engineering. I will see you when I see you next time. Bye now.